How to enable or disable send photos faster in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen or in the app screen, open up text messages. Now in here, tap on the profile icon at the top. Then from the pop-up, tap on messages settings. Next, we go down, then tap on send photos faster. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you switch this on, the photos attachment in your text messages, the resolution will be reduced so that it can send faster during the sending process. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.